Hi guys, welcome to this new video, and this is going to be another new flying glitch. For this glitch you'll need 9 hinges. So then you'll have to place them in a 9x9 square. Like that. And then what you're going to do next is that you'll need to take a glue block. And then you're going to place the glue block like right here. And then boom, here is this new flying glitch, really OP, and I'll show you how it works. This is almost like my other one, but this one makes you even faster. And this is also great for grinding. If you need grinding gold, then you can simply use this glitch. Also, by the way, you should check out my other video if you hadn't checked it out, because this glitch costs you